Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to replace the bracket. As you can see, this bracket has seen better days. I'm going to replace it with this bracket. So here's where it sat before. I took the bracket off, but I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. This is the top bracket of a garage door. So yeah, I'm going to put this bracket back on, show you what it's supposed to look like, and go from there. So I will say these are the original screws that were there. This is the old wheel, but this is obviously the new, roller bracket. But this is, what came with the universal. It's a little different for my garage, so I'm obviously going to use the original hardware from the other one. I recommend do not throw anything away. Take it off and keep all your hardware, because just the way that my garage door is set up, this is going to be a lot easier. It's equipped for that. So just a quick tip, just keep all your stuff. And this is rule of thumb really for any project. Keep all the old hardware, because you may use it. All right, so a little trick. What you're going to want to do is take your wheel, all right? You're going to slide it, since, like I said, this is the last one, so we can actually do this. Slide it here. I'm going to push this up. All right. So have it sit there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fit this so it fits on there just like that. And again, it's hard to do with two hands, but it's going to be a lot easier. So now I can just put all my brackets on and everything like that. It's going to be 10 times easier, so you don't have to really bend it or anything like that. I bent it a little bit, but it'll be a lot easier doing it that way. So let me do that real quick and show you what it looks like. All right, so I don't have any screws in there or anything like that, but at least you could see it's just a little trick you could do to make sure that that wheel fits in there just like that. Now I just gotta tighten everything up, and we should be good to go. I may have to adjust some things too, but should be good to go. All right, so now all of that is tight. Now I'm just gonna adjust this up or down. As you see, I got a lot of play here, so I'm gonna adjust that a little bit, to the height that I want. That is pretty much it. So I'm gonna mess with the door as well, open and close it and see what's gonna make the most sense, but it's pretty much how you do it.